We've been trying desperately actually to save the kidnap, mga kababayan kong, kapatid kong Moro. Alam mo, ayaw kong makipag-away with anybody. But there will be a time, ayaw ko lang sabihin kung ano, that I will have to confront Abu Sayyaf. It is not yet forthcoming, alam ko, pero yung kidnapping nila must stop. It has given us a very bad image. There will be a reckoning of what really happened. Ayaw ko makipag-away, sabi ko, pero kindly, kung wala pa kayo, total, can always give you something. I will pour money muna sa social aspect ng ating maestra. And if I can accommodate all of you, all the Moro people, walang problema sa akin. But avoid being a member of that Abu Sayyaf because there will be, I said, a reckoning one of these days. I was, we were able to negotiate, but apparently yung lalaki, yung kidnap na Italian sa Abu Sayyaf, Norwegian, hindi pa raw naka-cross because of the rough seas, I was told. I don't know if this is true, but we were able to negotiate for the release of Marites Flor, yung babae, the 38-year-old Filipina kidnap victim. Kano sa ako mga tulos?
Kaganina ang kadawon.
Ang kauban mo?
Naaka dito.
I-release daw nila.
Wala po kay balo kaganina na nakurat na lang kung magipukaw ko nila na gising-gising ihatid kita.
And also instrumental in the release here is Secretary Jesus Doresa sa ating Peace Process Panel. Ay, si Governor Sakurtan ang nitabang sa ato.